Hi, Yolanda, back with the birds and butterflies. So let's do a little bit of decorating. I have already put some of these on bulb pins. I've got 4 of them so far, and I'll show you what I want to do with these in a moment. I have this guy, which is really nice, and I have this little linen rose in an enamel mug, which I have backed onto just index paper. And now I am going to cut, where's this guy? Right here. Because I'm going to use him as a pocket to go right here on the front cover. So again, you see that chewed bit there? That's Jota, or smooch, otherwise known as smooch. So you are going down there. Where does it turn in? Okay, let's get it right. Let's glue it again because I was faffing around and it dried. Yeah, right by the stitching, that's where so we can use this as a nice pocket. Then I have this from the collection, but it's also very soft, so I also think it needs a little bit of backing, so I'm just going to use this paper. Yeah, I think so. And I'm just going to glue it down. I'm going to give it a couple of seconds, you know, a minute or so to dry. There we go. That's a bit off camera there, and then I will trim it, but just let it dry for a minute or two before I cut it. It's always better to work with paper when it's dry. Now I have made a couple of ruffles from this gorgeous ochre color. So I've made 2, and I've made some, just these little ones to put somewhere. Let's just push this out the way. Oh, and by the way, on my cover you see I put the cream ribbons. I thought that looked nice, and it really doesn't need anything more there. I'm very happy with that. So then I thought I'm going to put a ruffle here, but I also want to put, I think I'm going to hang one of those from there. Let's see. Let's put the ruffle on first, just on the very front page, and it's not a very gathered ruffle. And I don't mind this bit sticking out slightly at the top there. I think it looks quite nice. It just makes the whole thing look a little bit more raggedy, which I like. There we go. So you can't really see that because you know the overlay there. But let's take this off. And let's take this off, and then we can put one of these laminated numbers and have a look and see what it looks like. And how am I going to do it? Don't know yet. I think I'm just gonna, I might have to reinforce that with something, just a little piece of lace, or yeah, see, and that hangs, which I really love. I'm still not sure what to do about this. I thought about attaching ribbons and tying it loosely, and I think that'll actually look very nice, but I'm still thinking about it. So we have that. Now I think this has had enough time to dry, so let's just quickly cut off the white on that side, on this side, and there. Just do the corners. And then, just to get rid of any whiteness, I am going to distress this just a little bit. That's all. That's all I'm going to do. Let me bring back this guy and just make holes again. On there, and then I have these little pink brads that go really nice inside, but they are a bit long, so I'm going to have to trim them with my little cutter, like so. And then I might even still put a... I wonder if this thing is also going blunt. It's like everything mine is going blunt. So I think I'm going to speed up this part. There we go. And I've made this into a little, so we can put, for instance, these tickets in here, which are not bad. I'm still trying to find a home for these guys. It's not bad, eh? But I think I'm going to change that ribbon. So we have this here for now. Still need to do something for here. And we have a little, this little pocket here. Which also needs something inside it. I think this is a bit big. That's too small. But, yeah, this guy fits very nicely in here. And I think again, let's cut a, you know what, I think I don't know whether to chat or not. Or fast forward. Probably fast forward while I do a little bit of decorating.